everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Fortiva credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.myfortiva.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page where it says activate your Fortiva credit card online. Fortiva is a financial service company that offers a credit card for consumers with less than perfect credit. The credit card can be used to make purchases at participating Fortiva retailers. It may also be accepted at other retailers that accept MasterCard credit card. Now, from the page, scroll down and you'll be able to see two options. If you're not enrolled into Fortiva account online, then you can go ahead and enroll and activate your credit card. For an existing account, click on the sign in and activate button right under already using our Fortiva account banner, and on the next page, enter your username associated with your Fortiva account in the first text box. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your username in this particular device, check the Remember My Username box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Make sure that you are typing in your credentials correct. If you've forgotten your username or your password, click Forgot Password or Username link. Finally, after filling in your details, click the sign in button, and once you're logged in inside your Fortiva account, click on the Activate Credit Card button in order to activate your new credit card. That is how you'll be able to do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.